the floor is dry right now. I'll probably go in there. I'm gonna go check it out. I think it's ready. But we'll see. I'm gonna go check my floor, guys, for the castle. And then if nobody gets on live, whatever is cool, I'm gonna start blogging, doing my super blogs. So let me see. This thing should be dry, but I don't know. Yo digo que sí. Should be dry. Yeah, it is. Pero necesita uno. Yeah, it's already dry. It's already dry, the floor. Wait, let me take this thing off real quick. Se mira chido el floor, man. Ahora sí está chido, man. Mira. Yep, it's dry, guys. It's just this right here. This is not dry right here. Oh, they need to do that todavía. Man, this shit looks nice. It's good. It's dry.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's dry. Está chido, está chido. Yeah, over here it looks more black. Oh, hell yeah. It looks nice. Dale click ahí, guys. But yeah, guys, it's ready. Yeah, it looks badass. I'll be back. Y'all give me a second. If anyone's still watching, man, this is better. Go aquí. This one is back. Está chido, man. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the live. I don't even know if anyone's still here or what, but I'm gonna start doing some vlogs. I'm gonna get ready, busy. The guys are gonna come. They're gonna fix